Hey kids, today we are going to draw and color this cute Santa Yeti. Isn't he adorable with his fluffy beard and Santa hat? First, let's start coloring the Yeti's face with a soft pink. Don't forget to add some color to his hat and the fluffy details on his beard. His red suit will make him look even more festive. Now, let's color the gift box in green with yellow ribbons. What a wonderful gift he's holding! Great job! The Yeti looks ready for the holidays. Look at this cheerful Yeti. He's all set to enjoy a delicious slushie. Let's draw and color him together. Color his fur with a light blue shade. Next, let's add a bright orange for his shirt. And don't forget to make his hat a fun red color. This slushie can be a bright pink with purple dots, so refreshing. Awesome! Now, your Yeti is looking fantastic, holding his tasty drink with a big smile. Great work! You brought this Yeti to life!